If your dog starts limping and then seems fine, don't ignore that. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. They think they're walking now, so it's okay. But intermittent limping can point to underlying joint issues, soft tissue injury, or early structural problems. Just because it comes and goes doesn't mean it's gone. Watch for patterns. Does it happen after rest, after activity? That matters. Your dog will push through discomfort, so you have to notice what they don't say. If you're unsure, use the VetSmart 60-second dog health check. It helps you decide what needs attention and what can wait.